Today we are going to work on upper body expression, working our flamenco arms and our flamenco hands. This video will be appropriate for all different levels, a tutorial for beginners or just a drill for more advanced dancers. I'm Rina Orellana. If you're new to my channel, I have the Online Flamenco Studio, where it's a wonderful membership for dancers to dance from new beginners all the way through advanced levels. We have classes in technique, choreography, and flamenco theory, and you can click the link below for your free 10-day trial. So let's begin. So first thing about having working on your flamenco arms, we are going to I will give you a little breakdown of it, and then we'll do a little drill to some music. But one thing you want to make sure that you have is the proper posture of keeping your hips tucked under. You don't want to splay them out. Keep those abs engaged. The chest is open. The upper back is engaged. Now your arms, you're always going to keep them rounded. So you never want chicken arms. Chicken arms are bad. You want to keep those arms rounded. The elbows are back. So if you see it from the side, it looks like I'm holding onto a giant beach ball. So my arms are not going to be flat. They're going to be rounded. Okay, so your arm positions are down here, out, and up. When your arms are up, you want to really keep the shoulder blades down, have that space up here in the neck, and always engage. Now with the hands, we want to make sure that you are bending at the wrist, So we go in and open, and then go out and in and out. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure that your forearms are still. So you're not moving your forearms to get those hands to move. You want to really bend at the wrist, keep those forearms still. Okay? So we're going to go in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, and in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4. So that'll be one sequence, and then the next sequence we'll do is we'll have our arms come up through the center, and we're going to bring that right arm down and out with the hands, and then you're at the very bottom here, and you're going to bring your hand up and scoop out, and at the bottom here, up through the center. So I love to say, scrape that chocolate off the wall, show it off to your friends, and then eat the chocolate. Scrape the chocolate, show it off, and eat the chocolate. All right, so we're going to practice those two sequences to the palo of Tientos. So Tientos is a nice slow 4-count compás rhythm, and it's very earthy, feminine, grounded. So you want to kind of think that while you're dancing. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Arms down, in, 2, 3, 4, and out. Keep your arms down here, and in and out. Now arms to the side here, and in, belly button in, and out, and in with the arms, or in with the hands, and out. Arms up, belly button in, shoulders down, and bend at the wrist. Out, arms out, and in, and out, and in, and out. Shake it out. And now we'll go with one arm, 5, 6, 7, 8, and open, 2, 3, 4, and up, 2, 3, 4, and open, 4, and up. So again, you're going out with the hands, and in, up to the center, and go all the way to the side. One more round, and open. Let's do it again with just our arms here. 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we're going in, 2, 3, 4, and open, out, up, in, out, out to the hands. So again, repeat, and in, open, up, and out. Again, and in, out, up, and out. Okay, arms up and to the right. 3, 4, and up, and out. And let's speed that up. We'll go and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop, and up, and open, and up, and open, and up, open, and up. One more time. Open, and up, and open, and up. Shake it out. We're going to do one more round. So now that you have your very warmed up, you really want to keep those abs engaged. And when you start freaking out, like, oh, I can't do this anymore, take a breath in. You see where you can relax a little bit more. Let's start again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. And in, 2, 3, 4. Out, and out. Arms up. Control, elbows back. Breathe. All right, single arm up, open, and up, and open, and up. See if you can go at a slight diagonal with the head to pop, and up, again, pop, ba-dum, and pop, ba-dum. One more round, open, open, and up. All right, let's bring the arms down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Last round, and in. And in. And in. Thanks for joining me for this upper body drill. That was really nice expression in the palo of Tientos. If you want to continue your studies with me, I encourage you to join me inside my Online Flamenco Studio, where I have taught thousands and thousands of dancers from all over the world to speak, feel, and dance flamenco inside this membership. I have over 80 courses for new beginners all the way through advanced levels that you can follow systematically so you know exactly where to go and which video to follow next. We have technique, choreography, and flamenco theory. We have a vibrant community. There's monthly challenges, monthly regular workouts if you just want to work out and not really think about anything, and live trainings and live practice sessions. It's a very well-rounded flamenco experience. So I encourage you to join me. You can try my 10-day free trial right over here. I'll see you next time.